In today's episode, ang topic natin ay soccer ba o football? Ano ba talaga? But first, I'm your new PE teacher, Sir Talon, and this channel is all about football. Oops! Sa mga Pinoy or non-football fans or curious lang dyan na hindi alam ang pinag-uusapan ng mga co-worker
No, God!
o boss nilang European or general football fan, here's an explanation about the difference between football and soccer.
Right, Harry, did you see that ludicrous display last night?
What was Wenger thinking, sending Walcott on that early?
The thing about Arsenal is they always try and walk it in.
That is true. See you later, Moss.
Well, there you go.
End of flashback.
Usually, kapag kano ang kausap mo, kapag sinabi nilang football, it usually means American football. And kapag European, football is soccer. Dito sa Philippines, we tend to call European football soccer more than calling it football, in my experience. But the question is, why do they call it soccer instead of football?
I grew up in Texas. Football is ubiquitous in Texas. Pro football, college football, high school football, pee-wee football. In fact, every form of football except the original, European football. Most Texans believe to be a commie plot.
But all jokes aside, sa American football or NFL, they don't really kick the ball, di ba? Most of the time, hawak-hawak nila yung bola, so bakit football ang tawag nila? Sasabihin ng iba, sinisipa nila bola kaya nga may kicker na position, di ba? So the debate continues, and ito pa sabi ng football legend na si Thierry Henry.
Do you have an issue with the use of the word soccer?
Me, big time.
You do?
Yeah, I do.
Why?
Because they throw the ball there. In America, yeah, they throw the ball. They call it American football. I don't get it. They kick it one time every 15 days. So how do you call it football? Call it throw ball. Do something else.
So why do the Americans call it football? For the answer, we're gonna have to go back to the 1800s. Yes, mga sir, 1800s. You see, in England at the time, we need a change of clothes so we could blend in. Much better. So in England at the time, may dalawang football primarily. Rugby football and association football. Sa rugby, pwede mong pulutin yung bola gamit kamay, syempre. Habang ang association football, paa lang ang pwede. And dahil sabay silang sumikat sa England at dahil parehong football ang tawag, there's a problem. So they decided to abbreviate association football to ASOC and rugby football to rugby. At merong trend or slang noong 19th century na magdadagdag ka ng ER sa dulo ng salita. Kaya ang rugby, ginagawa nilang rugger at ang ASOC naging A-soccer, which later became soccer para mas madaling i-pronounce. Wait lang, does that guy have a cell phone? Anyway, kaya nung in-introduce nila ang football sa Amerika, tinawag nila itong soccer at nag-develop sila ng sarili nilang laro based sa rugby, which was American football. So it's very ironic na galing din sa England ang word na soccer at common misconception na Americans ang nag-coin sa term na to. Also, be careful because there's a small banter or ribbing between American soccer and European football.
It's called soccer. Go USA.
By the way, explain ko lang tong Football Po More YouTube channel. This channel tries to bridge the gap between football and basketball fans, mainly sa Philippines, but also in other countries. That's why I added English subtitles if you're interested. So some of the time I might be using basketball terms to explain football and vice versa. This channel is also for curious people who doesn't understand football, or maybe they have a friend, boyfriend, or boss that loves football. At gusto ko lang sabihin na it's not football or basketball, you can be a fan of football and basketball. Tanda ko lang may sinasabihan akong nanonood ako ng football and
Ugh. Brother, ugh.
So baka sa future dagdag din ako ng mga current Premier League games at pati na din FIFA or FC games. Why not? I think the next video I will be explaining the different leagues in football dahil sa basketball NBA lang, while sa football napakadaming liga and you can choose what you want to watch. Okay, now he's playing with a VR headset. But that's all for this video and thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.